Hello there, my name is Cynthia. In the last video, we saw 10 important ranking factors which you need to optimize in order to rank your web page. In today's video, we will see in detail 3 types or pillars of SEO, that is on-page SEO, off-page SEO and technical SEO, which you need for a well-rounded organic search strategy. So let's get started. The first type of SEO is on-page SEO. On-page SEO, also called as on-site SEO, relates to the content on your website. It includes elements to optimize an individual web page that helps search engine understand the topic of the content and see that the website is a valuable source that people would want to find. On-page SEO includes keyword research, content creation, and keyword optimization. Let's talk about keyword research. On-page SEO starts with finding the best keyword for a particular page of content. The best keyword is the phrase or term that is relevant to the main topic or theme of the content. It is regularly searched for by your target audience. You can do keyword research using Keyword Planner tool. On Google AdWords, go in Tools and select Keyword Planner. Then to discover a keyword, you can see over here, discover new keywords is there. Select it, add your keyword. For example, if you are looking for suppose you provide hair transplant in Mumbai, then you can add the keyword. You can select India as your target audience, or if you want to be more region specific, you can select Mumbai, click on target, click on save and click get results. Alright, so you will see a list of keywords which you can choose from. So these are all the keywords and the various keyword ideas and the number of searches per month for that particular keyword. So accordingly you can choose which keyword you want to target and incorporate those keywords and write content around those keywords. Based on the keywords that you find and select for optimization, write a compelling high quality content. Understand the content intent and accordingly create relevant content. Here are some of the types of SEO content which you can create for your website. News articles, blogs, tutorial pages, infographics, listicles, or video content. Whichever format of content you create, make sure that it is easy to read and understand for users. Your content should be interesting and provide meaningful and useful information that the users would want to read. Put your readers and their needs at the forefront of your content creation, keeping in mind that you are ultimately writing for them and not just for search engine. Also, the content should be factually and grammatically correct. Additionally, through your content, give links to other relevant pages of your website. This process is called internal linking. Internal links are those links that you give within your website. For example, this is a page on hip replacement surgery costs in India. You can see a link has been added to another page of the same website. Alright. Similarly, when I scroll down, you can see that when I click on the anchor text, on the same website but a different page, link has been given. So this process is called as internal linking. These types of links are useful for 3 reasons. Number 1, they allow users to navigate a website and spend more time on the website. They help establish information hierarchy for the given website and a web network of relevant information. They help spread link authority around websites. And do not forget to give an outbound link to a relevant page. Outbound links can help demonstrate the depth of the topic that you are writing about and can point readers to further resources that they can use to learn more about certain concepts. It can add value to your SEO rank. Next, one of the most important elements of on-page SEO is keyword optimization. Once you find your target keywords and create relevant content around it, you need to add these keywords in certain places. That is, keyword in the title, keyword in the meta description, keyword in the H1, and keywords should be added in the content a few times. Make sure that you do not spam the content with keyword stuff. Make sure that on your content, wherever you have added images, image alt tag is properly mentioned. The second type of SEO is off-page SEO. Off-page SEO is also called as off-site SEO. In off-page SEO, you build links from other authoritative websites to your website, which is called external links or backlinks. It includes strategies to build a website's reputation and authority. Backlinks help search engines see that a website is an ideal search result because it has been linked from a reputed, reliable and a trusted source. So when large volume of relevant and high authority websites link to your website, the domain authority of your website increases. So you can gain these trust signals through a variety of link building tactics. Top 3 link building ideas are as follows. Local citation is wherein you submit the details of your website's name, address, contact number and also your website URL. Second, you can do guest posting wherein you submit your articles to editors of other websites and take a link to your website from within the content. Next, you can do digital PR on a high traffic local as well as national digital newspaper and get a link from those websites. The third and one of the most important type of SEO is technical SEO. These are the elements behind the scene that drive the performance and crawlability of your website. Your site should have a clear and easy structure for search engines to be able to crawl and index your pages and improve search visibility. Technical SEO is a broad and exciting field covering everything from sitemaps to meta tag indexing, crawling, linking, page speed, website security, etc. Some of the most important technical SEO checklists that you need to follow: secure website, that is, use SSL technology to convert your HTTP website to HTTPS. Second, ensure that your website is mobile friendly. Make sure that your website is responsive and adjusts properly to the screen size, that is, the text, the images and the videos that are there on your website should be visible properly on mobile version as well as on the desktop version. The next checklist is optimizing page speed. That means your website's page speed should be above 90, both on desktop as well as on mobile. The next checklist is to create a sitemap and submit it on Google Search Console. You can use websites like this, the link I will be adding in the description, to automatically generate sitemap for your website, which tells the search engines which are the most important pages on your website and how often content is updated. On Google Search Console in sitemaps, it is important that you add your sitemap over here so that all your pages are discovered. The next technical SEO checklist is to add schema markup on your website. Schema markup is also known as structured data, which is a code that you need to add on your website to help search engines better understand the content on it. For example, you can use structured data to add star rating to reviews, prices to products, and frequently asked questions as well. So these are the 3 types of SEO. If this video has added value to your knowledge, please like our video and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on digital marketing topics. In the next video, we will see what does black hat SEO mean. So till then, stay tuned.